Hello once again. When we left off, I was in the Landalu Gorge, and I just saved it. And I just now got a key that I died! Actually, I didn't die. Okay, just a tip of advice that I was going to film, but I didn't. See that ledge over there? That's where you get the key for this door right here. You gotta use the B door to get it. I remember being very confused when I learned how to use each of them. There you go. Try and lock that away in your mind for when you actually get to this part of the game before you actually play this game. Or if you're using this as a walkthrough, you don't use more information, but I think I'm using like videos as a walkthrough. I mean, come on! For one thing, this is my second playthrough, so it's not like I'm going to be filming everything. Oh no, Sand Cicada! Two of them. What? There's so many Sand Cicadas. Okay, then we just stab this. Stab! Stab it in the face with Scooter, and then eat this with your mouth, freaking demon. Oh, demon crap, cut the wall, pull it back, wall, push the hero back. There are last bit of dodge downstairs, and did you get permission from Master Thunderdragon to come in like we do? We were just about to dodge the spell of the subdragon from Mal's face. There are many monsters around. Roger 16,000 berserk. I'm dead. Now I really wanted to catch up with you because freaking might go way faster than that. Open the doorway. Beneath the castle. Open the door, then stab you in the tooth. Just open the doorway! Freaking natives. I'm out of arrows. Wonderful, wonderful. Stabbing, lovely. Ah! No, 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 no. I can take my swords up and cut on the door, so if you could, I have a passing, no one can make a soul tell you this metal, welcome to my metal, I keep my soul from the little rocket forward, ow! I can swing my sword, I can swing my sword! Gosh dang it, you stupid piranha! Fine! You want food? Here's a bomb! Eat the bomb! Eat the bomb! Ha ha! Owned! I can bring us all so the good I am the Lord. Ah! Natives, more natives, and plants natives, they all look the same. That's racist. Scotty, tear people's hearts, then eat them, stir a scorpion in the eye. Where the zone, and then back in. This is actually where we have to go, but it's to be honest, but I just remember this is where we actually have to go. We get a drop on this poster, then open the doors and go in and follow me again. Running. Promotion, jump, attack. Oh, I hate this part. This part is so long, actually. Jump, fall, downwards, run overwards, running, over to the left, then down to the right, then slash you with a side slash, and then grab the flower, then beat all the layers, then do so boom, cause you are trapped, and I'm gonna shoot it, and you will get moved out. And then you go roll dance, and it turns into a violence. But gotta be careful when you go. I'm about to run out of state almost, so I just get this stand up for myself. Then jump across there, don't get pushed away, that would be bad for me. Oh, I behind me. And now the friends are down, yeah, I'm on the edge. And I'm not the friggin' stupid face. Couple clothes. It's pretty innovative. Like, the whole thing about the like time shift stones changing time and the way it's implemented into the puzzles in this game is freaking geniusly clever. There are some annoying parts like having to wait for these rapid pop targets to become forgettable. It's a two-shot. I'm trying to get trace sheets. That's just past it. Keep going that present because it's so much more technology for advanced components, but it's the remains of ancient technological advanced civilization. It's freaking my favorite region in the game. What do I do now? Shoot this? Oh no, that's gonna be fun. Oh, here. I died! Oh no! Now I have to start from this part again. Oh crap. Really? Frick, it's gonna take me forever. Crap. Oh, really? 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 Really, my corpse? Really? Suck a biscuit! Frick, it's frustrating with Minecraft. And they both start with mine. I guess everything that starts with mine is flipping frustrating. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. This whole account goes away. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Don't ever miss it today. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. As soon as it is defeatable. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. In the face, in the mouth, in the mouth. Oh, oh no, this part's really hard. Okay, this is so many freaking times. You got the jelly blob. It may look like a boring water gun, but it's used to make all sorts of things. How? No, this part. So many times. Kill me twice. Back. No! Ah! Freaking stealth piranha! Master freaking ow! Hey! I have the title as Master of Stealth, not you! Not you! Bucket! I gotta use the whip seat. No, just whip over on that thing. And goddamn nerds. Stupid weak controls. Wait, I had it for a second. Hadouken! Hadouken! Thank you! That was way too bad. Man, that's not gonna be a problem. What is that? Ah! Goblin. This one's done. So, electricity fire. Ah! How murder! Murder explodes of murder death. Okay, we're going down. Ha! Owned the second you came to life. Owned by me, because you're my slave. You're my freaking slave. Don't you fall. What? Oh, don't you fall. You got the ancient flower. Legend says this beautiful flower falls in the ancient path. Supposedly it glows in the dark. Hi there, Bilbo. Ah! Okay, this thing's gonna fucking get past me. But don't target there. It's been at me. And then kill you all with my sword. Here's yours. Ow! I will seize. Ow! Gosh dang it up with this. Blaze. Oh, spade. As it blows you clubs. Says. How do you do this again? Stab it? Stab it! Okay, good. I'm gonna get murdered. Grab the fruit! Oh, crap! Crap apples! do I start from? I gotta start from here again? Oh no. Oh no. Native die. Natives will die. Jump. Grab the ancient flower. Whip this. Whip it. Whip it in the mouth! Whip it in the mouth! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, the minecart! Ah! Spiders suck. Oh no no no. Oh oh oh. Oh 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 no no no, stop it! No, that was a bad idea. Ah! Bad idea! Well, how do I do this again? Oh god. Alright, just screw you. Screw you, native. Jumping. Just grab the ancient power. The thing is, it's so fast paced that I don't have time to figure it out. Jump. Die, thanks. Knife, die. Die, pay knife. Oh, good die, pay knife. Oh no. Stop it! Stop it, Lords of Biscuits. Nuggets, Nuggetine. Freaking biscuits. Ow. Funnies! The funnies! It's gonna take me like 7 million tries. Just know it. Please don't. What? Biscuits. I was just gonna say, at least I'm getting a bunch of Agent 5 things. No more than. Yeah, something you could have. Okay. Ah! Shoot! I should drink a potion. I should drink the potion. 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 There we go. Now I'm not gonna have to die and start over. Ow. Stabbing impalement. Stabbing impalement! Stab it! Stab it! You butt nugget! Ah, great. Alright, from all the way over here. Fantastic. Wait a minute, couldn't I just whip that? Couldn't I do whip? No, I can't. Wonderful. Ooh. Yes, Tease is the way to defeat a blindness.
What are you looking for?
Hello, I know where there might be so.
Don't you kill me. I natives, more natives and plants and natives, they all look the same. That's racist. Ow! Freaking laser turrets. Not today, laser turret. Not today. Not today. Crap. I'm being left behind. Don't leave me behind! Stop it! Too many enemies! Too many flipping enemies! Get off the track! Get off the track! Get off of the track! What's wrong? Get off the track! What's wrong with you? Get off! Oh no! Explosives! Explosive things! Stay away! Get out of my life! Ah! Stop! Why are there so many enemies? Stop it! Naughty! Naughty! Turn around so I can look me in the eye and tell me that you're not freaking evil! Look me in the eye.
I'm sorry that I didn't do it right. I am sorry.
Don't you laser shoot me. Ah, fantastic. What do I do now?
You guys asked me to do something for you. I nicely do it.
What do I do? Stab it? Oh, God, that's never right. Okay. Good. Hadouken! Alright, now go.
Oh, it's nice to be faithful.
This part's hard. Just like all the other parts. You know, the last time I did this, I got like 20 times. And I would already be dead if I hadn't had that potion. Totally down. Absolutely and totally dead. Probably would have died again by this point. I gotta blow that up. Oh no. How do I do that? How do I...
And I did it. I didn't get one single thank you.
There we go.
There.
There. wake up, the alarm just kill your phones.
No, I don't, sweetheart.
Hot dog! I just blocked the explosive, and now we go and bring honor to my family. Get freaking koalas. Get out of my life. Get out of my life. Good koalas. Good work. And that's one. Fantastic. That's it. Okay. Video still going? Move out of the way, Isaiah. Come on, minecart. Stop taking so long.
Yeah.
It doesn't take you this long. Yeah, okay. Cool stars, yeah! Oh, I didn't turn this on! Oh gosh, that's the worst voice I've ever done. The thunder dragon comes to life. Off, oh, hello. Haven't had a visitor like you here in ... quite a while. You're human, aren't you? Must have some reason for coming this far. What is it? ... slow dots. I see, so you're cool man from the sky. Cough. Not much of a name, is it? How about an animal? I don't know what's your name, maybe one. Maybe LD, cool 16. I can tell you don't like the sound of that. That's a shame. Cough, cough. Oh, sending me to change your song. You are here with all the light about this. I must apologize, cause I don't have much strength, cause I'm coughing. I'm a nosy to sing. I'm singing right now. Yes, because you're reading my words in song. Cough, cough, cough. Cough, cough, cough. Would you like to talk about this? It's the robots were so they planted a ceiling cough. But just one cough. This is the end for me, cough. We're gonna run forwards, cough. Absolutely, cough, 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 cough. Cough, cough. Cough, cough. Cough. Cough, cough, cough. Cough, cough, cough. Cough, cough, cough. Cough, cough, cough. Oh no! I freaking sacrificed my standing on ledges to retrieve a hearth. Acabouts! Hey Josh, don't sing about punching Isaiah. The tree is quite young still, a dig in the hole. Take the live tree seedling. What you doing with that seedling? Match funds, I can eat the tree alive, that's we do have a master. Not really. Well, I stand to uproot it, it's your responsibility now, but make sure you plant that seed work to tree outside in that area. I knew you would. And strike the cube with your might. Hot token!
I'm waiting for that next day.
Alright, let's go. Don't run out of stamina. Or kid.
Yes!
jumped off the cliff. Jumping. Oh no! Oh, I know what to do. I'll just send you over there. That would be freaking awesome. Okay. Hi, what's your name? It's Ari. I'm trying to go for going grass flowers. There's for kids find a way to go to see the cookie. I'm not going to make it. Dessert. Lucky for you guys. I got a freaking place where I'm going to go to see them. Hello there, woman. Looks like you've found the seed for your life. It's too late. I'm done for. Won't live long enough for that tree to go down. Two first steps in my head to you. As many dogs as I wanted. Which is with down downs. I'm gonna take you to the sky. And return to the sky with the camera still on. I'm not gonna pause it. I'm just gonna play this game till the sun goes down and up again. Okay, so we gotta go to the fair. Before we do that, we're gonna go find Beetle and complete this side quest. And get the final bounty crystal. Someone dive! Well, actually, if there's only one left, then I can probably find it just by dowsing. Because it'll be the only one that receives any dowsing response whatsoever. Alright, where's that beetle? Here we go. There's that beetle lounge thing, that the beetle lounge thing, the beetle on the scale, lounge the beetle. Lounge at the beetle, lounge at the beetle, I'm gonna pause it for reasons that I'd rather not share. Arrivederci!